EVOKE by Lioba Brückner in size 50 by 57 cm rounds, special treatment version 3, now adds morganite that we have sprinkled on the pink areas on the canvas. That includes not only the pink petals of the flowers on the bottom, but also on her pink hair. I've actually placed most of them on her hair. So you can choose to place most of the morganite on the pink areas on the bottom for the flowers, or do it evenly with her hair and the flowers, or do as I've done here by placing majority of it on her pink hair. And this is the fun of conducting special treatments, because these are merely suggestions, recommendations, but it is still up to you how you would like your final product to look like.